sitting around just sucking they dick. They always be broke as hell. I'm over here rocking Rick. Shit gets me sick to my stomach, cause they're okay with it. You niggas ain't slick, you niggas ain't slick. You niggas don't hesitate to backdoor niggas quick. And when I expose you and point it out, you niggas gon' deny it. I'm just so fucking sick and tired of this bullshit. And all these hoes want no more with this fucking sex and dick. Like, can we have peace in the mind of the fucking life we get? The hoe try me, swear to God, I'ma put her in the headlock. Holy, she fucking dies, swear to God, I'll fucking make her heart stop. 200 down the highway, bitch, I ain't stopping for no pit stop. Red on the ammo, smack that nigga with my pistol. It's like, Coca, why you do that shit? You got me pissed off. Ride your whiskey, bitch, like this, you still cut it slow again like hop off. Pop out with that stick. Pop out with a fucking blick. Pop out, I send bullets. Bullets through your fucking stick. If I ever get rich and then go broke, I'ma get back up real quick. I swear to God, if you run up on me, I'ma keep shooting my gun till it clicks. Why are the niggas that call me a nerd? I'm sitting around just sucking they dick. And they always be broke as hell. I'm over here rocking Rick. Shit gets me sick to my stomach, cause they're okay with it. You niggas ain't slick. You niggas ain't slick. You niggas don't hesitate to backdoor niggas quick. And when I expose you and point it out, you niggas gon' deny it. I'm just so fucking sick and tired of this bullshit. And all these hoes want no more with this fucking sex and dick. Like, can we have peace in the mind of the fucking life we get? The hoe try me, swear to God, I'ma put her in the headlock. Holy, she fucking dies, swear to God, I'll fucking make her heart stop. 200 down the highway, bitch, I ain't stopping for no pit stop. Red on the ammo, smack that nigga with my pistol. It's like, Coca, why you do that shit? You got me pissed off. Ride your whiskey, bitch, like this, you still cut it slow again like hop off.
Recon so we can shoot his little bitch ass on 4th phone and grade.